Hey everybody, it's Sal Pierre,
Here with Alex Athey.
and we are in our downtown Orlando office, and we have another mini tutorial for you. Today we're going to go over product description. And product description works a little bit different than service description, and I'll show you why. Go ahead and let's jump in. You'll see as our famous generation window, you'll see our product description generation window, which will give you brief information on what you should be inputting there. As well, on the right hand side, you will see developer notes and written by
me. It took a lot of work, so I hope you enjoy them.
I did. He slaved away at the developer notes. So pay close attention to them because that's what will get you the best outputs. So if you're looking to take your AI content generation to the next level, watch the video like you're doing now, and then use the developer notes to your advantage. In the generation window, you can always use the audio microphone button to speak directly into Satellite Writer, and it will magically appear in that generation window box. For this example, we're just going to copy and paste one of the examples that we have. You'll see also a cost usage associated with it. In this case, you want to follow the examples as closely as possible. So it says cutlery set. What is the product? What is in the product? And a little adjective about the product, okay? And once you have that, you just click generate. Again, it will connect to the Satellite Writer system through Haley AI API, and it will give you 3 different examples after researching over 6 billion data points to come up with a perfect description for your product. Again, 3 examples, unlike any of our competitors, which give you only 1. We only bill you for 1, so it's just like 3 for 1.
Just the one you choose. Like, oh, this one looks nice. Like this one on the right here. They have a high carbon stainless steel blade, black handle, diamond edge finish, perfect for vegetables, fruits, etc. Pretty good too. That's the whole point of those. You can look through these and find the one that fits your product the best.
I personally, I read, but I would rather listen. So you do have a read output with a speaker at the top.
Knives are designed to...
Haley AI will read the product description. So if you want to do something for the visually impaired, you can download this file and add it to your product listing, and it will be a description of your product read by Haley AI. Once you select your specific output, you can scroll down to the bottom. You can expand the product description. You can reload it, or you can finalize it. I always skip this part, but I feel like on this skill I should mention it. If you scroll down a little bit more, you have recommended skills. These are skills that will work well with the product description, so you can always just jump right into that if you wanted to. Like if you want to create a bunch of features or benefits about the diamond edge knife set, or you want an Ada email framework, something, or you want to create a bunch of headlines for different ads or promotions that you're doing, you'll be able to do it right here. For this case, we're just going to finalize. That's going to drop us off in the editor. You'll see the content generation on the left-hand side with a little editor that you can edit whatever you want. On the right-hand side, you'll see our Haley AI editor suggestions. These are recommendations for grammar, spelling, and to improve the copy generally. Also on the top, you can save it, you can download all of the content. Obviously, you can exit back into the main archives. You can do a plagiarism check, which will check the internet if it is plagiarized, and you can download your audio file. If we scroll down to the bottom, you'll see related images. As in with all our content generation, we try to provide you with images that are royalty-free that you could use for your product, service, or any other content that you generate. If you don't find the perfect one that you like, because it's a lot of kitchens here and I want to see a knife. Okay, if you don't find the one that you like, you can just simply do a quick search, and it will pull up more specific. I would just put knife.
Yeah, you're right. It does.
The simpler the keywords is, the more that you get. Black handle, knife, that's what we were looking for.
Oh, that's...
Yeah.
I'm going to with a bloody picture there.
All right, yeah, these are brown handles. Other ones fit better. But you can get the images that you need for your product, so that will help out a little bit too. With that being said, you can get all your content information, word count, readability score, and grade level, as well as download all of your files. That means the text file that was written, but you'll get it in Word, you'll get it in HTML, you'll get it in PDF, and you'll get images that were in the description. Thank you so much, and we will see you on the next one.
Hey, thank you so much. Have fun playing with it. Bye.